People are always asking me, "Hey JD, what can I do to prevent a nuisance service call? Or what should I do before calling you out?" Well, here's a little video of something that you could do. Something that even kids could do.
Okay, let's go.
Step 1 involves opening the filter door. Carefully set it down to avoid damage. Carefully pull the filter out of its location, observing what's inside. Change the old filter out for the new filter. Check the arrow and close the door.
Okay, let's go.
Step 2 is grab your vacuum cleaner, plug it in to the nearest outlet, attach the hose to the drain line, and vacuum out all that sludge. Listen to it as it grabs it all. Last but not least, grab that hose, rinse down that coil. Watch as that thing is able to breathe.